Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make brownies because when I wanted to make a chocolate heart. I wanted to make I wanted to melt a chocolate, a Hershey chocolate. So I put into the microwave and put the Hershey kisses in there for like a couple of minutes. And then when I came back, it looked like it looked like a brownie. And I'm allergic to eggs, so I tried it and it tastes good. But it was hot, so I had to put it in the thing. So I'm gonna get one Hershey. Nah. No, Yasin, stop. Yasin, can you give me? Please tell me I have it. Please tell me. Oh, I see one right here. So I have one Hershey Kisses. So I'm gonna get it. Get the exact same one. None. Excuse. Where's the cup? I don't know where I put the cup. Is it in the freezer? Oh well. No! Get this cup! Looks clean. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I used the exact same cup. Wait, I'm pretty sure it was a pirate cup. Oh well, it was the same. It was plastic too. Okay. Nothing. Somebody's. So please like and subscribe this video. If you subscribe, oh God, no! 5-second rule. If you like and subscribe, you might win a million billion zillion nothings. If you win that, you can get million billion zillion nothings too. So cancel 3 minutes. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Okay, there's metal in there. I put that to make it even more crispy. And I forgot to put it last time, so it might explode, but who cares? Watching, spinning. You come to my store because I still a lot of candy left. Okay, I'm watching. I'm following you. You do what you do while it's floating.
What's your name?
What? I'm sleeping. Okay. Stop! Don't stay with me! You're leaving! It looks close. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, he's sleeping. Okay, let's never bother him again then. Okay, he's almost done. If it's not brownie-ish yet, I need to do something. Okay, you can't sleep, baby. Okay, get up, or else you're not gonna or else I'm not gonna talk. I'm not gonna make a video with you. I'm not gonna make a video with you then. Fine, fine. Do stuff and cool.
Okay, I'll do stuff. What do you want me to do?
Just do anything.
What's your name?
Okay. Sweepy, sweepy baby now. I will peep you, peep, peep, peep.
Once we were done,
Okay, fine.
put it in your fridge.
Oh, it's hot. Looks like a brownie. Looks normal. I need a fork. I need a fork. Knife. Okay, I'm getting a fork. Here.
Okay.
If
I
it,
can't see.
if my,
What is this? I want to see what is this. I can't see.
nope, not yet. Okay, one more minute.
I can't see. I cannot
Oh yeah, I need to cook the inside.
see. I want
No, it wasn't brownie-ish. So dance. No, do the popcorn dance.
to see. How do you do that?
Yeah.
But I
You
can't
gotta do this and then,
I can't do a popcorn now.
this is chocolate.
Hmm.
Yeah, I need this. So, yeah, I'm recording for 7 minutes. It should take around 10 minutes to cook so I won't cook for 4 minutes. That's actually reality, 4 minutes. Or, yeah, reality is 4 minutes, but in YouTube it says 10 minutes. Actually 5 minutes. What do do? Chicken nuggets. Okay, you guys ready? You ready? It should be ready because I need to cut that in half. Oh, it's hot. Watch it. It smells like a brownie, so I'm just gonna look now. No, it's not. It's not a brownie yet. It's so close. You just need 1 more minute. You need 4 minutes and 30 seconds to cook. 4 minutes. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. But this will explode if you put it in. Okay. This should be hot. Look. Now it's like a brownie. So if I eat it, it's chalky. So look. Is yeah. So if I eat it, it's chocolate, but it's actually look. But it's hard. Looks like dirt. If you want to make dirt, this is how you make edible dirt. But you can choke if you eat fast.
কি খাবা কি ফুড বানাইছিলি
Chocolate. You just need some brownie. If you had multiple, like 7. If you had half, like if you put it right here, or just it'll make very good brownies. Okay, bye.